She did text you that? What'd she say?
Hi? What should I say?
I don't really know.
Oh my god. Hi. Where does...
Wow. Is Alyssa supposed to be in this group?
Yeah. You were kind of waiting for her.
I didn't know. I didn't see her yesterday.
Oh.
How'd you get in town?
My mom drove me over to Jordan's house. We just walked down here. We're slightly creeping.
That's Alyssa's dad. Oh, where is Alyssa? Where's Alyssa?
I haven't even seen her. I didn't even know if she was awake or not. I'll hurry her up.
Okay.
Okay.
Best thing
Bye.
ever. Oh my gosh. I was praying that was her.
I thought it was. And then you see Mountain like, oh, this is slightly off. Just a little.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, that just
She
made my
might be a little
day.
mad at us, but it happens, I guess.
Oh god. Good morning, sunshine. We just saw your daddy.
That was so lame. I can't do it. Okay.
You've got this.
Oh my gosh. I can't burn.
Chug it.
Wait. Yes.
Very ladylike.
This cannot go on YouTube.
It's going on YouTube.
No. That's so nasty.
Nice.
You're so manly.
I feel so